What's going on, guys? Alec here with Off the Jeep End. If you haven't seen our videos before, check them out after you're done watching this one. We got about 5 or 6 of them up now. So if you're a YJ guy, go crazy and check all those out. But we're having a problem with this door. We can't seem to get the indoor handle to open the door, so you got to roll the window down and open it from the outside. So I'm just going to take this handle off on the inside and see what's going on. Okay, so this is going to be a little Torx, okay, and it's going to be a T15. So now we can see we got 2 latches, one for the lock right here, and that's that top piece, and it looks like we're just missing this this rod here. So we're going to open up the door and we're going to see what we could do. Alright, so now we're going to take this leather door panel off. First thing you're going to want to do is take a small screwdriver and you're going to want to peel the knob off for the handle, just like that. And you're going to have a Phillips / flathead in there. You could use either one. Windows all the way up. Okay. And now we're gonna get the Torx out with a T25 bit. Okay guys, so now we're going to take this leather panel off. We just took out the grab handles and we took out the window lever there. But now I'm going to use this type of tool. It's a special tool for the clips that are behind here. It did come with a whole set of brand new clips. I can add it in later. Probably I'd say $15 to $25 for a whole set. And it included this special tool. So we're going to take that door trim off. It's going to be little white clips. Now you're going to see one here. And you're just going to want to pry back like that. Okay, and you're going to have a couple clips, so let's take those out. Okay, so it looks like we got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips in there that you got to take out. Luckily, we didn't break any of them. With this tool, it makes it really easy to not get in there with a flathead and break them all off. So this tool really helps to save them, and you can get a nice kit of new ones. Now you just got 5 Phillips head screws. Okay. Okay, so it looks like someone's gotten into this door before. All this stuff's pretty easy to... Okay, so now we can see in here, there's the lever that goes down. Okay, this one going over from there. This is the lock one. So now we're looking for the other rod that's supposed to be right here. It's supposed to go over there. Yep, there it is. I just want to try to take off as much of, or as little of this as I can, just so it'll, stick to it. This looks like it's the original one, so we want to try to keep as much of the sticky sides as we can. Looks like this was peeled off before, like I said. It doesn't seem to want to stick, but we're going to try and make that stick when we put it back. So I did find this handle. Drop down in there. So we just gotta send it back up there. All right, so we're gonna take this side here. It's got like a 90-degree angle on top, and this side is threaded. And those threads are gonna help it stay in these little clips here. Like you see, that one's in there right now. Really focus on it. Okay, so we're gonna feed this one up to the handle up top. All right, guys. So I just ended up taking the handle out with the rods in place. This one here still has the clip on it, as you can see. And this one, I just used a zip tie. As you can see, I literally just zip tied around. All right, so let's put the door handle in. Okay, so you're going to take your top rod and you're going to want to fit it into here. Take your bottom rod. Take your bottom rod and fit it into this one here. You might have to bend the clips up a little bit. You got these small clips in here. Gonna want to just take the rod out. And you're gonna want to just bend these clips up so it can hold that threaded rod in place. So the next time you push it in, it's going to be nice and tight in there. Hell, honestly, I might zip tie that too. It's okay. Okay, so this metal's pretty worked up where it's holding the threaded rod right in here. So I am just going to throw a small zip tie. Right in this groove. So it's never going to want to come out ever. Okay, so right now you have a cotter pin holding on this handle right in the top left, and right in front you see those two saw teeth. You got to bend that pin up and push those sawtooth brackets right up, and they should slide out. You should be able to push the handle out. Alright, so real quick on the back of this door handle, it's going to be in the door like that. And what you're trying to do is pull that pin up like it is right now, so you can slide this sawtooth bracket out of here. It'll slide straight up. You should use needle nose pliers, something like that. Get up in there and grab this right about here, pull it up, and as soon as you do both sides, you should be able to pop this thing right out, take the cotter pin out of here. And we're going to send these off to the paint shop, get them all painted nice. Alright guys, we just got these back from the paint shop and they look awesome. And let's put these in. Alright, so we got our handle installed there. Right up there you can see we got a cotter pin up there on the left. And we got those sawtooth brackets back in. You see a zip tie on both of these, just to kind of keep these in. These metal clips were pretty worn away and pretty flimsy, so I just zip tied them in. Now they shouldn't come out. Alright, but let's put this door trim back on. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to fit our door trim back on. As you notice, I put some tape on here. Just got to remember to knock these holes out for it. Here we're going to install our cover. Okay, and that should be it. Everything looks pretty good. Door handle actually has some resistance on it now. And our handle looks awesome. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for Off the Jeep End today. We got these doors working. Feel free to drop any comments below, and we'll get to them as soon as we can. Also, give us a like, subscribe, anything's appreciated. Stay Jeepy.